Welcome to Joe Cooks. Hope everyone's had a nice weekend and that. This week we're going to make a grilled cheese sandwich using a hack I found on the internet a few months ago. I was reminded of it last week watching the No Way Man and that. He had a go of it, and I'll tell you what, this is sensational. Tastes absolutely divine. Basically, grilled cheese sandwich with a little trick with the mayonnaise. Fantastic. Once you've done this, you wonder why you haven't been doing it forever. So we'll get straight into it. We've got about 50 grams of mature cheddar and a slice of ham. You can use tomato and that if you're a vegetarian, that's fine and that. I'll be using a few sprays of fry light, and I'll be using tiger loaf, but you can use any bread you want really, like I just like this one. But yeah, we'll get straight into it. Right, first of all, we're just going to spray the pan with a few sprays of fry light, and we're going to heat it to a medium heat. I've got mine on about number 4. The pan warms up, we'll do the only prep of this, and this is the secret weapon to this one. Absolutely great, man. So you just get 2 slices of the tiger loaf, or whatever bread you're using, and that doesn't matter. We're just going to put a squirt of mayonnaise on each side and spread it out with a knife. I don't know, I think I got this about 9-10 months ago. I tried it once or twice, loved it. And I seen that video last week. Thought, yeah, this is one for me channel, like, because it's fantastic. So we just spread that out. And that's your prep done, mate. That's it. All we've got to do now is make the sandwich. Right, I'm just going to give the pan one last spray of fry light just to make sure it's hot. And here we go. I'm going to move the ingredients in so we can see them. And what we want to do is put the first bit of bread in face down. So the mayonnaise on the bottom. You hear it start sizzling. That is absolutely fantastic. And we're just going to cover it with cheese. Just a cheese sandwich. Can you remember sandwich machines and that? It'll work in one of them. I'm keen on them, like, so. But anyway, we'll just put our cheese in. I like a lot of cheese. Then we'll put our ham in. Just a slice. Nice thin slice of ham. Lovely. Put that on. And it's just a case of whacking the lid on and waiting. We're going to cook it each side for about 3-4 minutes. Let the cheese melt inside and that. Let it turn nice and golden. I'll show you the flip. And I'll set the plate up with a bit of salad and that on so we can see it at the end. Absolutely stunning. I've done it literally in a minute. As quick as this video is, as quick as it is to make. We're at the 3-minute mark now. Let's flip it and see what we've got. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. It smells incredible. Hey, look at that. Doesn't that look like the best cheese sandwich ever? Right, we'll give it 3 minutes. We'll move over. I've got my plate with a bit of salad on and that to make it look healthy, even though it's not. Right, let's have a look what we've made. Oh, this looks absolutely fantastic, man. Look at that. Look at that beauty. I'm just going to bring my plate in with a bit of salad and that. And chop it straight down the middle. Yeah, thanks for watching. I wanted to keep this one brief because I wanted to show you it doesn't have to be quick, complicated, or you don't have to go on for hours in the kitchen and that. But look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I nearly swore there. It looks that nice. Yeah, well, I'll give it a quick taste and we'll say we're goodbyes and that. And get in the kitchen and try this one out, because I'm telling you, you won't regret this one. Well, look at that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Get in the comments and leave us a comment and that. Hit the subscribe button because I seem to be stuttering on 105 at the minute. So any more will be helpful in that. And yeah, let's give it a taste. Absolutely incredible. That mayonnaise just puts this on a different level. Get in your kitchen, give it a go. Until next week, be kind, and I'll see you then.